Whenever we prepare for a new class, there is always a surprising amount of work to get to the launch. Before we can film anything, we like to test run the class so we can plan how it will work and make any necessary changes to make it the easiest piece to consume for you. Here you join us while trying out some embellishments of lace to be made into the lace jewellery earring pieces for the Lace Jewellery online class. As it turns out, we didn't end up liking the look of this particular piece of video with the white lace on the white background and the harsh contrast of the black velvet board from a teaching perspective. So for the actual class, you will have noticed that we changed to a pink background, which makes it easier for you to see the finer details of the white on white stitching. If you haven't already done so, check out that class as it is free and available to all, along with its sister class, the Lace Jewellery Flowers design, which is also free. The kits to go alongside these classes are available exclusively on our website, or you can try them with your own lace if you just want to use the class and avoid getting a kit. Hiding the stitches whilst adding some lovely sparkly details was the aim of this venture, as we wanted to create a piece that looked beautiful from all angles, something that needs to be considered when you're creating an embroidery that will be seen from all sides. Working onto the lace as a 3D object is a bit of an unusual approach for lace work, so we hope you enjoy joining us while we work through the issues we might come across on this sampling piece. If you enjoy it, please do be sure to give us a like, as it really helps us out, and subscribe to the channel, hitting the bell button so you don't miss out on any of our new video posts as we release them at least once a week. See you in the next one!